Adandi Igbo, aka CBBT, Beauty, Brains and Talent. Tata achọrọ m iwetara unu ọtụtụ ndị Igbo. Ilu bụ mmanụ ndị Igbo ji eli okwu. Gee ntị ka ịnụ ilu dị iche iche. As you all know, Igbo Proverb Friday has been officially shifted to every last Friday of every month. So you stay tuned, and if you're seeing this for the first time, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, and also stay tuned for next Friday program. This proverb is about peace. This proverb is about unity. It's about time. People left some of the things that dissociates them. In life, there's one thing you need to know, and it's very important, that you need human beings of different races, of different tribes to survive. Ara Nobi Buwane.
What is the essence of this Igbo Proverb Friday? What's the concept of the show? Why do you watch the show?
Very good question. Thank you for asking. The essence of Igbo Proverb Friday is to unite the Igbo culture and bring back the Igbo cultural heritage into existence, and also to make it very global and allow both foreigners and other tribes to relate with us.
Okay, another question. Why do you speak English whereas this is an Igbo show? Can you explain? Can you tell us more?
Oh, thank you so much. That's a very interesting question that have come a lot of times in this show. The reason I add English to it is simply for the non-Igbos to understand me, because I am here to sell Igbo cultural heritage, Igbo tribe and Igbo language, to promote fashion, food, care, people, style. So if I add English to every proverb, people will be able to learn about the language and understand what I mean. You understand?
Thank you for your clarity on this show. I really appreciate it so much.
You're welcome. It's very needed for everyone to understand the reason why I do certain things on this show. Thank you. Iwewanne adige runobi. The anger of a brother doesn't get to the heart. Thank you for watching today's beautiful episode of Igbo Proverb Friday with Chioma Oji. Remember, Igbo Proverb Friday is no more every Friday as you used to know. Igbo Proverb Friday has been officially shifted to every last Friday of the month. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow this page, comment your proverbs, share this video, and see you next month, last Friday of next month. Love you.